Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to keep a page private? In this video, you will learn how to hide a page on your Squarespace website, whether it's for a special project or a work in progress that isn't ready for the public eye. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, make sure to head up to your Squarespace account and open the dashboard. Once you have opened it, you simply have to go to your sites. So here you'll find the list of sites. Go to the site that you want to work on. Now when it comes to pages on your site, first of all, to make sure that the page is hidden and private, make sure that it is not on your menu in here. For example, I'm gonna create a page. So this is the navigation. Here you can show every page, and basically what I'm gonna do is basically create a new page, and simply I'm gonna add blank page. Let's name it, for example, private, as you can see. So this is my private page. This is the page that I don't want people to see. The first thing that I had to do is to make it removed from the navigation menu. To do so, what you'll have to do is to simply unlink it. So from the main navigation, drag it to the not linked. There is another page here, which is the home page. I'm going to drag it up to make it visible in the main menu. Now, even though it is not linked, but if people went and had the link for it, they will still can open it. So I'm going to turn it private. Now, as you can see here, this is the page title. This is the private, here like the private, which is navigation title, URL, and here enable page. So here disabled page can't be accessed by your site visitors. So this is something that you can do, which is disable it, so people cannot be able to log into it. Or what you could do is add a password. This password, or basically is a password that is required to see this page. Users with the administrator or website editor role don't need a password. So let me just give it a password. Let me just see 123 and as you can see here, I'm gonna just save the changes, save them, and there we go. So now we have created this page with this password. I'm gonna try to open it in an incognito. There we go. And let me just close this real quick, just to be here. Preview, yes, preview. And is it like this now? Alright, I just need to get the link. So it is published. Let me just go to the home, preview. Alright, let me just copy this, and as you can see here, this is a private site. So this site is currently private. You are not, if you are the owner or contributor, log into it. So they cannot get the access to it yet. So they will never have the access to it. If I went to the settings here and I went to website, as you can see, the site availability is private. So to make it publish in the first place within Squarespace, you have to go and upgrade your plan to publish it. So that is why it is not public yet. But for those who have it published and public and everyone can log into it, then the settings that I have shown you, which is by going to a private page and giving it a password, this will allow only the people with the password to get the access to it. So it is private with a password. Now how about making it private without a password, so people cannot even get the access to it? They can't even type it. Like, even if they type it in the URL, they will not be able to see it. In this case, go to here and basically disable it. So by disabling the page, you will be able to view it whenever you want on you. So it cannot be accessed by your site visitors, which is something quite good for you in case you would like to keep this page as a private thing. You keep your stuff here, you try new things, you test new things. Well, this is a very good thing to do. So I recommend you to do this thing to make your pages disabled, private, and basically so nobody can actually get the access to it. So this is basically it. Just a reminder, just like to do a quick recap. Now, this is the menu. First of all, what you will have to do is to make sure that your page, it is not included within the menu. To make sure that it is not here, go to edit. From edit, click on edit site header, navigation, and edit it. Show pages, and they will take you right here. There is another access to this area, which is basically without clicking on edit, just click on websites and then pages. From here, you will be able to view this page's main navigation menu and the pages that are not linked. So make sure to move the page that you do not want to be basically get the access to it. So I'm gonna, for example, move the store page, and as you can see, now we have removed the visibility of it in the navigation, so people cannot click on it. Then I'm gonna go to the settings, and either, like, there is two main options: either disabling it, which means that cannot be accessed by your site visitors. So this is something that you need to understand. If your site visitors cannot access it, that means it is private in a way. But there is a private page which you want certain people to get the access to. For example, let's say you have like a low quality streaming platform, you don't know how to make it like a page where people can watch, etc., without like yeah, I don't know, like something like Netflix, but you don't know how to make it. So you can let people pay you throughout a certain page, but this page, when they peer through it, you give them like a link to the private page, which in that page they can watch, and you can give them also the password, so they can get the access to this page, and they can watch through that link and through the page. So this is something that you can do, which is basically by enabling the page and basically giving them a password. Now this is something bad, but as a startup you can work with it. Why is it bad? Because basically they can share the link and the password, and your data is leaked, everybody can watch, everybody can get the access to it, so it's just not as private as you might think. So yeah, this is not something that you do with your business, it's something that you share with people, with your friends, to just test things out and etc. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will try to read all of your comments and basically give you feedback and basically give feedback to each other. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel, and thank you guys a lot for watching.